Alright, so welcome guys. This is my first video on the channel here, and it's not much of a channel. I don't really feel like starting anything up. I'm not looking to get paid off this, but this is my theater room in the making. Alright, I've got a little one, so you'll see smashed cookies and shit all over the place. What I'm working with is a 75-inch 900E Sony TV there. An Eclipse 450C in piano black, the limited edition one, an SVS PB16 Ultra, some cheap clip speakers that I got. I think they're the R28Fs from Best Buy. They were like buy one get one free during Black Friday. And I've got the MFW 15 over here. That's probably about 10 years old. This is not hooked up, has not been hooked up since I got the SVS subwoofer, but I may end up hooking that up when I complete the theater room, so at least I have two subwoofers. And you can see this was a loft when I bought the house, and it still kind of is a few months ago. So I had started putting up studs and then close it. Got the double doors I just put in last week, and everything will be insulated. I'm going to remove the insulation off the knee wall right there, or the drywall, and insulate all that rather. It'll all be closed up. All the electronics are going to go in this here. Building a closet right up there. I have a candy machine, all kinds of stuff. And then as far as this stuff goes, got the standard cable box, Xbox right there. The Panamax 5400 protecting all my stuff here so far, and the Denon 6400H. So this is getting pretty warm during movies that I noticed. So I actually just got this in the mail today. Haven't even opened it yet. The AC Infinity T10 cooling system. So what I want to do is, right now you can see there's no power. The Panamax is shut off. There's no power going to that receiver whatsoever. I'll turn this on. We were at about 69 degrees because I like it nice and cool in my house. So now I'm going to turn everything on and watch a movie for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then I'll see what the temperature is. And then I'll put this new cooling system on, and we'll take a look and see what the temperature is, what it goes down to anyways.
Wait! He's baiting you!
Okay, so I'm watching Never Back Down. Negative 10, nothing too crazy or anything like that. And I think I've seen as high as like 117 on here. I've looked at it a couple times, we got 115.8. Somewhere around here. So yeah, pretty much 116 is the highest that I've seen on here. So now I'm going to add the AC Infinity cooler, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so here we are, probably 15 minutes later or so after plugging this thing in. It says that it's at 86 degrees. It started at 92, so it's actually lowered itself 6 degrees. Really not sure. I'm not going to be able to see the vents from here. It says 82, but I can't see the vents. But it claims it lowered itself about 6 degrees. So I'm going to say that it works at least a little bit. I've only had it plugged in about 10 or 15 minutes. But I'll run another movie, another time, and we'll see what happens. Alright? Okay, so here we are the following day. Last night I took the video. And I think started up, if I remember correctly, I think it said it was 92 on the AC Infinity cooling system here. And so this thing has been off for almost 24 hours, completely dead, no power, whatever. So this is the current temperature. It says that it's 78 degrees in there. So I'm going to start it up now, and we'll watch a couple hours of TV, and then we'll come back and take a look at it. Alright, I think this might be my last update on this thing as far as initial impressions go. I turn this on. probably 2 hours ago or so. I'm watching TV. I just turned it down so you guys can hear me better with the audio. And again, obviously, I can't aim this thing right there. I suppose I can move it out of the way, whatever. Not a big deal. But if we go through the side here, I'm not even seeing 80 degrees in this thing, man. You know? So, I mean, it tells me that the inside of this thing is pretty damn good. I think the fan here in the front is probably pretty accurate.
Future. Leave it, walk away. We'll discuss your transfer out of my group when we do that.
83 over there.
Want to know who your boss is?
82.5 or so out of there. And it goes on and off, a little more frequent than I'd like to see because you can actually hear the fans. So it's not as quiet as they tell you or lead you to believe, rather, but it's a slight hum, not too bad. Anyway, that's good my initial impression. Overall, very satisfied because you know, dropped the temperature internally by about 30 degrees. So hopefully it'll allow it to last a little longer.